Hello viewers, welcome to Speed Math Techniques with Sukku and Jikku. Today we are going to learn how to write the times table for 17. Sukku is narrating this episode today. Hello friends, today we will all learn a faster way to write the times table of 17. There are 3 steps in total. Step 1 is to identify the base digits for this episode. Take the one which is the 10th digit in 17 and add 1 to it. You get 2. So, 1 and 2 are going to be our base digits. But you are not going to include 7. Step 1 is complete. Step 2 is the first part of the answer. We know our base digits, right? We start with 1. In the next box, we add 2 to 1. You get 3. In the next box, you add 2 to 3. You get 5. Now, the next box is where we have to add 1 to 5. You get 6. We add 2 in the next box to 6. We get 8. In the next box, we add 2 to 8. We get 10. In the next box, we add 1 to 10. You get 11. Now, in the next box, you add 2 to 11. You get 13. Now, in the next box, we add 2 to 13. We get 15. In the last box, we add 2 to 15. You get 17. Step 2 is complete. Step 3 is the final answer step and also the second part of our answer. We start from the box with the 5. We go down 1, 2, 3. Now you start in the next column. This time you go down 4, 5, 6. In the next column, we write 7, 8 and 9 next to the 1, 6 and 11. In the last box, we put 0 next to the 17. There, you have your 17 times tables. Step 3 is complete. Help! Jikku is trying to catch up with Sukku on this technique. Would you be able to help her? Replace the question marks with the correct numbers and complete the table below. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. Remember to subscribe to our channel and click on the information bell.